Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name is Sharon Holt and this is Anzac week that I'm making this video. This is our Anzac book in the Reo Singalong series. Ka Maumahara Tonu is the title, and that's about remembering, keeping on remembering. I just wanted to share with you about an important sentence structure that comes up in this book, and it will be useful for you to know about. So it's he pātai tāku. So that means I have a question. He pātai tāku. And the little girl in this book is asking her koro questions all the time. So after the first question, he pātai tāku, I have a question, then she also is saying, I have another question. He pātai anō tāku. He pātai anō tāku. So that would be a good little sentence structure to practice yourself if you've got a question of someone. Oh, he pātai tāku, I have a question. And another question, he pātai anō tāku. And it would be a good sentence structure to teach children because they're always asking questions. So they might as well be asking, can I ask a question? I have a question in te reo. All the best for this week, and hope your Anzac Day goes well. Let's all do some remembering. Ka maumahara tonu. Ka kite.